business starter subscription. I've set up groups and share drives with the help of your very easy to follow videos. Great, but when I'm in the share drive, I'm unable to add the groups as they're not displayed in the drop-down. Is there a delay processing issue, or do I need to change the setting? Yeah, okay, so that's like one of those weird bug things. So if you're trying to add a shared drive, inside that shared drive, you're trying to add members and you want to add a group, sometimes the group doesn't show up when you start typing. So I'll start typing exec here. Okay, that one happened to work. I'm gonna try board. There. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to type board and it auto-completed with somebody's full name with board being their surname. It is so effing annoying when that happens, because what I actually want is board@itgenius.com, right? Which I'm trying to scroll up and down and I can't find it. The interface for this is terrible. It is a Google problem. It's not your fault. So what you have to do is you have to type out the full email address of the group. So board and then @ there. See, it's still defaulting to people outside my organization rather than the group that is there, the one that I actually want. Now I can choose board. You may have to type out the whole thing, board@itgenius.com. There we go. It's a shitty interface, pardon the French, but anyway, if you type out the full email address, even if you've only just created the group, it will work. The group is there, as long as it's been more than 30 seconds since you created it. You might just have to type out the full email address, but definitely an annoying one. That really gets me.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.